Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Do you like cryptocurrencies? Do you like trading? Do you like investing? Do you like earning? Then this project will be for you. We'll be talking about Gemini Exchange, a new player in the game here, and we'll be talking about it in the next few minutes. First of all, this video is not a financial advice, it's only for educational purposes, and everything as usual is linked down below in the description, and let's get into it. So guys, here we are on the Gemini platform. As you would expect from a big platform, you will find that everything is neat and easy to understand, very intuitive website, and everything is laid out beautifully. As you can see here, they have been featured in New York Times, Bloomberg, Wall Street Journal, Forbes, Fortune, Wired, all over the place. They have been talked about. They're quite robust, they're quite secure, and the security, we will get into security further in the video, but generally speaking here, they are well known and they're renowned for their services. So what's going on here and how to start actually using Gemini? As you can see here, the big fat get started button over here, you can just enter your email, confirmation of your identity, and you're good to go. And then you can go to products. You can have the Gemini Exchange, classic exchange, trading cryptocurrency. You can trade, you can exchange, you can swap coins, you can just get involved in the cryptocurrency using the exchange over here. Click get started and you will be jumping right ahead in the market. As you can see, it's just simple and easy to use. Just a click of a button, you can be buying Bitcoin, you can be buying Ethereum, wait for a while until the price goes up, and then you can sell it again with some profits, and you can repetitively do that. And as you can see also, you can have your portfolio laid out in front of you in a very neat fashion, in a very understandable way, so you can track how much money you've made over the last period, or how much money you lost also over the last period if the market is going down and you've been keeping holding your crypto, so you can get an overview, glimpse of what's going on in your portfolio. So I would say the exchange here is very intuitive and it's a very good point here for Gemini. But they also have the earning platform. Earning platform, in simple words, it's more staking or gaining profits holding crypto. For instance, if you hold a Bitcoin, you just don't leave it there. You can actually stake your Bitcoin and earn APY, or earn interest on your investment. As you can see also here, you can calculate your earnings. As you scroll down, you can just get involved in the process. For instance, let's have an example here, 10,000 US dollars in inch. For instance, that's a cryptocurrency you will be staking with 8.05% per year, meaning that if you left this for 1 year, this will be quite an interactive chart, you will be getting $805. If you combine that for the next year, or if you compound that for the next year, you will be getting 1,674. If you do that for 3 years, you will be talking about 2.6 thousand US dollars, and then 4 years we'll be talking about 3.6 thousand US dollars if you choose inch. If you choose another coin, then this will fluctuate slightly here. You will be talking about up to 8.05%, that's for inch or curve. And also you have other coins here in the market. You have Solana, you have Rally, you have DAI, you have Ethereum, you have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is 2.75. Actually, that's a very competitive interest rate for Bitcoin, because if you're aware of what's going on in the market, some other platforms are not really offering that amount of return on Bitcoin. So you can choose the coin you're holding or the coin you want to invest in, or you want to hold for the long run, so you can actually use it to gain some interest rather than just leaving it like lying around in your wallet. And also something rather important, Ethereum will be moving from proof of work to proof of stake, so you might need to start thinking about staking your Ethereum and getting some interest. So going on to something rather important here in this website, that you can get your prices over here. That's kind of a crypto market cap integrated within the platform, so you can get everything at a glimpse. You don't have to toggle between tabs, you don't have to go to other websites, everything is just at your fingertips. And also here you can directly buy on here, you don't have to go to another tab, you can just click buy and just go ahead and buy and execute your transaction. As you can see here, you have the major coins in the market, and as you scroll down, you'll find that just an endless list of coins, and you can be just having an overall or a bird's eye view of the whole market before you decide to buy a certain thing. Something also rather important here I talked with you about, which is security. Actually, they have a very tough security here in terms of how they're securing your coins and their platform. Everything has to go through meticulous security measures, and then you can have the peace of mind that you're actually investing in a very secure place, in a very secure atmosphere, in a very secure platform, that your money won't be lost. As you can see here also, that's for US only. That's a Gemini credit card. You can actually get credit card and you can get 3% crypto rewards on every purchase you do, but that's only as we speak available in the US. Probably in the future they will be expanding also to other markets. As we speak right now, it's only in the US. They have also the Gemini wallet, so it's an all-in all-in-one thing related to crypto, meaning that you can buy, you can sell, you can stake, you can earn, you can trade, you can do whatever you want. You can also store your cryptocurrency using the Gemini wallet, and you can have an overall glimpse of what's going on. Also, you can have some earning and staking within the wallet, or you can link everything together, so you can have all the products of Gemini in one place in your app, or just have the flexibility that you can move all your crypto or your assets within one platform or one service provider here. So it will kind of, it will save a lot of money and a lot of time as well, transferring from here to there, so everything in one place. As you can see here, these are the major advantages of this wallet. It's a high security storage. As you can see here, the insurance against certain types of losses of digital assets, just in case, so you can be insured as well up to a certain amount, I do believe. And you can also have a capital reserve as a New York trust company and licensed entity, so you can also have extensive internal controls in our production and the storage procedure, so things can be very contained within this wallet, and you can have an over glimpse of what's going on. Also, you can have here the blog. You can see what's going on, what are the latest updates, and you can have the support if you have any problem with your account. They are quite responsive, and you can also get everything fixed with a jiffy if you do encounter any kind of problem. So something I need to point out here, that you can scroll all the way down and go to their Twitter account. Twitter account is a very good indication how well a project is going, how big of a community it has. So currently we're talking about 439,000 followers, and you can see some big names here are following also. You can see that the Moon is the Moon is following them, crypto market cap itself, of course they have collaboration for the data transfer and everything, so they're also following Gemini, so you can have the trust that they are big in the market, and they also have a lot of benefits for using them and for using their services, and they're quite interactive. Also, the community is getting bigger and bigger, so you can ask questions, you can share your experiences and get in touch with many people or like-minded people. So I would highly advise you to check the links down below and get started investing or getting involved in the cryptocurrency space. That's an amazing space to be, and I would say nowadays with the current market condition, that's a golden opportunity for you to start thinking about snatching some good prices for cryptocurrencies nowadays. I mean, Bitcoin all-time high was at around 70k. Now we're talking about 24,000 US dollars, so you can imagine that it will at least triple in price until we reach the all-time high once more. And many other coins are just having some preparation phase to absolutely going skyrocketing in the next few probably weeks and months. We will see some really good numbers with crypto. So that's it. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about Gemini Exchange and all the advantages that come when you use it. So I would highly recommend you to check the link down below, get yourself more informed, get yourself more involved in the process, and you will see that it opens the door for many possibilities for you in the cryptocurrency market. And as usual, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave any comment you might have in the comment section below. And until next video, bye bye.